What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live streaming session, New York session right here. Let's go right into the charts. So we don't have any major news this evening. It's a bit earlier for me to live streaming, but I got some free time, so I decided to live streaming. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's jump right into the charts. Let's take a look at the daily time frame right here. We have this week to the upside, and then a small week to the downside, a small bullish body. We also are right in this area right over here, this area of support. Now let's drop to the 12-hour time frames. Okay, the 12 hours kind of form a bit of minor or major support right at this point. I'm going to take a look even better on the left hand side. Yeah, it's a major support. It's actually a major support. I'm gonna move the zone right here. Okay, now let's take a look at let's drop even more the time frame. Take a look at the 8-hour time frame. So the 8-hour close bearish right over here, and now start to push to drop even more. Now let's take a look at the 4 hours. So yeah, for the 8 hours, I'm gonna put this resistance right over here, this minor resistance. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame, which we have this minor resistance 2 right here, and then kind of continuation of this drop. Now let's put the zone even more. Let's adjust the zones. That's why you drop time frame, just to adjust the zone and be more like to get a better precise on that. Now let's take a look at the 2 hours time frame. So on the 2 hours time frame, we have something interesting right here. I'm gonna keep the zone even lower, so below these weeks. So yeah, this can be a pretty good area to enter, to be honest. Let's drop even more the zone here. Okay, now let's take a look at the 1 hour. So yeah, the 1 hour we are gonna keep this right over here, this zone. Also, we have this week to the upside and then a break below that, but we kind of struggle do something right here. So let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. So the 30-minute time frame, yeah, kind of nice. We got a minor resistance right over here. So maybe we can get some buys above this area and some lows. Here it's a good entry to get some pips here to the downside. Also on 50-minute time frame, it's good. Actually, let's get a sell. I'm gonna lower the lot size. If it's gonna break this again, I'm gonna take a sell. Or should I? No. I'm not gonna enter a sell. No. What I'm gonna do is waiting for this 50-minute time frame, 50-minute candle to close. No, it's kind of I'm so confused. Not confused, but I don't know how fast can this market moves. But let's take a sell. So I'm taking a sell right here. So between this low on 50 minutes and this low on 30 minutes. So I'm taking this sell. My expectations are to move this way right here somewhere, and maybe to continue this trend down to this area right over here. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but maybe we can get some pulls to the downside, and then yeah, the best trades can be kept right here. So we have 500 pips, holy shit. So yeah, something like that. So this is my idea of a drop. The best enters can be kept right below this area. So yeah, all we have to do is kind of wait and Yeah, maybe I can get another entry between this I mean below this support here, so to get like 500 pips. So yeah, okay, looks pretty good on 30-minute though. So we have this push to the downside, then we have this retracement here, then the most important thing in this chart is this candle right over here, who is like very small candle, very small body, and then we got a drop and got the sales below this low for non 15-minute time frame. So yeah, kind of interesting price action, to be honest. Not the worst, not the best, but yeah. So first of all, I mean, I'm going to make me a coffee, and then I'm coming back to see what's happening in the charts. So I'm gonna let you like that. So I'm gonna mute myself now. All right, so we are back. I mean, I'm back here. Yeah, 15-minute candle closed strong bearish. I mean, yeah, that's pretty strong candle right here. Um, Also, the 1 hour break the low here. Yeah, and also the daily candle looks very, I mean, can have a lot of movements to the downside because, I mean, we have the trend that the yesterday candle was insane. It was like 3,000 pips. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of strong bearish structure here. So this is why I'm taking the sales. I mean, there are more likely to be sales than buys. So yeah, the next thing I guess we need to wait and also to see if we can get another entry below this area. This is the best thing we can do now. At this point, just relax, stay relaxed, and watch the trade moving. I mean, moving. Bad English. Okay, we kind of have some sort of a retracement here, but yeah, I think I should let this 30-minute candle to close to see to make the next move. So I'm going to wait at this point. If this is about a close bullish or break above the highs, I'm gonna close the trade. But at this point, yeah, I'm okay waiting. I'm okay waiting this candle. So yeah, let's wait. Yeah, so right at this point we got another break of the lows. The structures here on 50-minute time frame. We got also a break on 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it looks pretty good. For me, it looks pretty good. I mean, we can have 30 more minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and maybe for how much volume we see today here, maybe we can have a like maybe we can see this zone break below and then a continuation of that. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna wait 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes to see how this 30-minute candle will close, and hopefully we can get another sell below this area right here, but only if we get a candle close below that. Otherwise, I'm not gonna take anything. Holy shit! Look at it! Look at that rejection, dude! Like holy fucking insane! God damn! Look how fast it moves, dude! It's like 100 pips, 1 minute candle. Like holy shit! Yeah, interesting. Gold moves like I don't know. I'm just waiting. God damn. yeah, kind of lazy price action at this point. Oh god, I didn't look at the 50-minute candle close. Like, holy shit, look at that. It went just to this support area and then like flew 200 pips. Are you serious, dude? What the fuck? The fuck are those numbers? Like, where the fuck are we trading right now? Gold, man. Like, fucking 200 pips. Like, it was a week of 200 pips. Holy shit, dude. How impulsive can be to take a trade below this level and get another like $500? I mean, like 500 pips. I mean, god damn, that's a lot, dude. Holy, what the fuck is this price action? This price action anyway, like. I'm also fucking tired. I'm like drinking coffee for like since I begin the live streaming, and like it's been 45 minutes in, so the coffee is not making any effect. Yeah, I kind of took another entry, an impulsive entry right below this area. So hopefully with a fucking price action, maybe we can continue moving to the downside. I'm taking a bit downside right here because I wanted to be sure it breaks these weeks, and yeah, right below the 4 hour here. So hopefully we can get a continuation, but I don't know, man. Like, the fuck is wrong with this price action anyway? Should we trading on like 1 minute and say like, okay guys, we got a 1 minute candle drop below this support area, we close below, we have a much more way room to the downside. Let's go and let's see what's happened. I don't know, man. I gotta wait, but yeah, it looks okay to have a continuation here, so I'm gonna secure everything. Maybe we can get it from one candle and just call it a day, and I'm fucking done trading this week. It was a fucking hard, tough week. I don't want to. I mean, I'm exhausted, dude. I'm really exhausted. I don't want to. I don't know to trade even more here, but I don't know what are the chances of this drop even more, like at least let's see to the left hand side here. Oh yeah, the target can be right over here, so if we can break the last low of yesterday, I don't know how far this can go. Actually, let me take a look on the wait. So on the trading view, let's get to the super charts here. All right, so on 4 hour, if we can take a look on the left hand side, what the fuck, dude? Can I? God fucking damn it! The noise is on the background. What the fuck? So if I'm taking a look on this on the left hand side right here, and I analyze only daily. Holy shit, dude! Come on. So I analyze only daily. The first target could be this low from yesterday, but the final target can be this right over here. So we have the resistance from where we begin the movement, and then we got this low from yesterday. So if we can continue this, downtrend, maybe we can hit the 4,400. Holy fucking shit! I'm gonna move myself. It was a fucking tough day and tough week, man. And someone is smashing hammer, like, what the fuck? Smashing hammer into some, I don't know what, but yeah, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, we can have all of these, like, these are the targets that I'm looking for. Yeah, so far so good. Maybe we can have some volume at this point because all day was like these small candles, and now maybe we can have some good candles to continue moving to the downside. Also, I want to take a look to the Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, if you can see, guys, it's almost the same. It's the same. It is the same as gold. Technically, speech from a technical perspective, it's almost the same. Let's see the pound yen. What's happening? God, look at that. I don't like the price action on pound yen, to be honest. But yeah. Maybe we can get a close below this area on the higher time frame. That's 50 minutes, 30 minutes. So we can continue pushing down. So, yeah. At this point, gold. So for today, gold drops only 0.54%, which is very low. Yesterday, gold was like 4.5%. Oh God, it was actually down to 6% and then closed around 4%. So that was a lot. But yeah. Also, we gotta wait. And I'm fucking muting myself again because I don't know. It's very annoying. Pretty good push to the downside, not gonna lie. Pretty good push to the downside. Hopefully we'll continue moving down. Okay. Hopefully we can continue moving down. I don't know. I don't want to let it to the targets that I have. I want to secure something at this point here. Just because if I'm looking to the left hand side, okay, take a look right here, guys. So look on the left hand side, look what's here. This wick was made in 2026 in February, and Take a look on 15-minute time frame. Okay. Wait, I don't know where it is. Yeah, somewhere right here. It's like, I don't know, kind of indecision area, but I guess at least we can touch the area again. So maybe there, I mean, not maybe, but there I'm gonna secure some of my positions. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, gold looks pretty bearish, pretty bearish looks, but I gotta wait. You still gotta wait. Like this fucking disappeared over. Yeah. Here is more action. In the 1 minute time frame, we got more action, dude. They are moving like hundreds of pips. Take a look at this candle right here. On 1 minute, I'm on fucking 1 minute time frame. Take a look at this. 140 pips. A fucking 1 minute candle. Like, was like huge drop there. So I don't know. Anyway, the 1 hour close very strong, bearish, very bearish. All what I want from this trade is to touch this support again, and after the touch we have like a lot of chances of it just bounce from that point, but I'm just securing. I'm gonna secure, move the stops to the break even, call it the day, call it the week, bank my money, and then that's it, pretty much that's it. So yeah, kinda. Yeah, the week works. So far, so good, but it was an exhausting week. My head is fucking bumping. I need to relax, dude. I need to fucking relax, man. I don't know what to do in this weekend. Like, for real, I gotta relax. Let's see on the 1 minute how it's about to go. I mean, also I know for a fact that the 1 hour should make its own upper wick, but if we let's take a look right here from the beginning. Wait, I'm going to the. I'm gonna move to the chart right here. So take a look at this. Where we trade, probably here, or where the fuck do we trade? Not this week, but wait, not 18 here, not on February, right here. I mean, we got a lot of trades on an indecisional. Oh, what the fuck? On an indecisional area, so we got some pretty good trades. Let me see where. Yeah, kind of right here. Last Friday. Yeah, last Friday kind of good. And then we got this super trade this week. Super trend. And maybe we can see gold dropping like a knife even more. The next target is right here. Gotta wait for that. had some big moves right here. Hopefully we can get to this area, to this point. I'm gonna secure maybe somewhere here. But yeah, I'm gonna secure the first position. Yeah, I'm gonna secure the first position first of all, and then if we can have another drop or like, I don't know, I'm gonna let only this run, so. Holy shit, dude. The noises are really for real. I want to show you something that I love, that I like. So let's say I'm in a cell. I'm in a cell right here, I guess. Wait, right here. Okay, so yeah, I'm in a cell right here. Let's say my TP is down there, and the target. Yeah, I have to place a stop about like that. All the time, I don't respect this kind of TP, and then the trade touch it. And I'm watching it like, oh my god, look, take a look at this. The trade went to that TP and I'm closing like a retard, so I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna watch it like this way here. Yeah. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so I secure everything. I don't wanna trade anymore. Fuck this week. I'm out. I'm exhausting. I don't wanna see trades. I don't wanna see Forex anymore. Fuck it, dude. That was the most stressful week I've ever had. Fuck that. I don't want, even if this is going like 1,000 more pips, I don't give a fucking shit. I got my target right here. I don't give a fuck, dude. So thank you so much. Have a good weekend and see you on Monday refreshed and